What's the meaning of chinook wind? Chinook wind. Chinook wind.
Chinook wind. Chinook wind. Chinook winds are warm, dry winds that occur in wintertime over the Rocky Mountains and adjacent areas. They are caused by air pressure differences between the high-pressure system over the Pacific Northwest and the low-pressure system over the interior of the western United States. As the Chinook wind blows down the eastern slopes of the Rockies, it warms due to adiabatic compression, and may cause rapid melting of snow and ice. These winds can also have a significant impact on local weather conditions, leading to temperature swings, increased wildfire risk, and changes in precipitation patterns.